Started raining so hard. It's a good time to be indoors. It's starting to rain.
Hopefully it's not going to rain.
It's kind of clearing up again.
Yeah.
The sun's coming out again.
Oh, the wind here.
The wind is crazy. Wow, there are tons of people up here as well.
In this video, we'll be exploring Phuket. Right now, we're on Calcutt Beach.
Sadly, the weather isn't looking so great, so the sea is quite rough. But I can just imagine if the sun is shining, this beach must be awesome.
Beautiful, yeah. So unfortunately, we don't have the weather on our side. It clears up, but we are here during the low season, which is also rainy season. Go figures.
Kind of understandable, yeah.
But yeah, let's just see what we can do around Phuket. Stop of the day is Calcutt Viewpoint, which is absolutely beautiful. Oh, it is basically overlooking the bay where you can see all the little boats. Well, not little boats, there's yachts and, you know, catamarans probably, but absolutely stunning. Just look at this. And there's some sun coming out, so there's hope. Yay! Oh, this is just absolutely beautiful. I love the color of the water. Really, really nice. Ah. This is the scooter we're renting. We are paying about 290 baht per day.
We did rent a scooter from Phuket Airport because we found out that will be the better option, so we can save cash on...
Yeah, because the taxis here are expensive.
Taxis are very expensive in like the touristy areas, so...
Yeah, I think definitely if you come to Phuket, get yourself a scooter or rent a car. It does save money. Also helps with, you know, when you feel like you might get scammed or sometimes they rip you off. It's not in all cases. It's happened to us quite a few times, so now we just trust ourselves. We did have to put down a 3,000 baht deposit, and you have to show your driver's license and your passport. And then you can just rent from the airport. Perfect.
The renting company is in a great location. It's literally like a 5-minute walk just outside of the airport.
So we'll put it over this video, show you the name of the place. If you guys are looking for a place to rent a scooter, it is right there, so it's absolutely perfect. Okay, so we have finished up at the viewpoint and now we're heading off to a cool little restaurant. We'll show you. I'm not going to tell you the name yet until we're there, but it definitely looks super cute. We wanted to come to, and then it's called Three Monkeys.
So this restaurant is like, I can say in the jungly, yeah, it's got a whole jungly vibe.
Even the drive here was really beautiful. So we're gonna go check inside. Let's go.
Let's go.
A lot of sections around here. That was the indoor. Now here they have like little bubbles. Oh my goodness. Look at these as well, tables.
It's obviously all closed because of the rain.
Yeah, but it's so beautiful.
That's very interesting. It's like a maze that you're sitting.
Look how beautiful these are. Wow. Go going upstairs. It's just open, so that's why everything still looks like it's not organized. But we wanted to get here before the crowds. But we're just gonna sit upstairs to have a drink. Look how cool this is. It literally looks like a tree house. Wow.
There's so many different areas you can go sit at and relax. Here comes Jade up the stairs.
So beautiful.
How many different places can you sit, right?
Oh my goodness, everywhere.
Look at all the lights in the trees, how everything's just hanging.
It's wet.
Should we watch Jade get on the net?
As well. Wow.
That's pretty cool.
Do it, yeah. Probably really expensive. This is so beautiful. Look at the menu. They even have a tea time. It's not tea time, it's still early, but can we make tea time anytime? Oh, look at so many nice things. So Jason and I are getting this salted caramel. Look how nice these drinks look. Oh, yummy.
Yeah, so excited. It's gonna taste so good.
Yeah. How good does that look?
It's starting to rain.
But how beautiful does it still look? It looks like a tropical rainforest.
Yeah, it sounds amazing, doesn't it?
We finished our drinks and now we're gonna head off to Big Buddha. Hopefully it's not gonna rain.
It's kind of clearing up, but again, the sun's coming out again.
As usual, but we're still happy. We're gonna go, not letting the weather get to us.
No
Unless
ways.
it comes down really hard, then then it's not gonna be very pleasant. But so far, it's okay. So behind the restaurant they do have zip lining and a skywalk, as we mentioned earlier. The skywalk though is 500 baht per person. We were gonna do it, but we thought maybe if it starts pouring down with rain that
not a good idea.
It wouldn't be. Ooh! Something hit me in the face. Anyway, distracted.
Meyer.
Yeah, it's not going to be very pleasant if it starts pouring down with rain and we're far out, because I think it's about a 30-minute walk, so it's quite a nice trail to do, but yeah, maybe next time, yeah?
So this is a definite must-do when visiting Phuket.
But right now, obviously, because it's a long weekend, and I think it's a religious weekend right now, there's a lot of people.
There's tons of people. All the type of people like all dressed up in their like traditional clothing. Very pretty, yeah. All right, time to climb up the stairs. statue.
Oh, the wind here.
The wind is crazy. Wow, there are tons of people up here as well.
Yeah, makes it kind of unpleasant, but it is what it is.
It is what it is, yeah. Visiting the Big Buddha is the view, the best view you'll get probably in Phuket. Alright, so we had to leave. It started raining so hard. And the people like scattering around everywhere, bumping you, so maybe now wasn't really the best time to come here.
Yeah, but we came here about, what, 5 years ago, and it was absolutely beautiful when there's blue skies. Then the water is like incredible, the view is stunning, and to get pictures with the big white Buddha with the blue background, incredibly beautiful. So if you come to Phuket, it's definitely something to come look at.
Yeah, because it's not always like this, where it's overly crowded.
We just got bad luck.
Yeah, we had bad luck today.
Rainy season in Thailand.
We will be back. Phuket will be back for you on a sunny day.
Yeah, definitely.
We waited quite some time at the Big Buddha for the rain to stop. And then once it finally stopped of like 30 minutes, we quickly went back to the hotel, packed our bags. Jade changed. She's doing her hair, fixing her hair. I still say the same. And we came to the airport. So, well, not exactly the airport, we're in front of the airport. So this is a great spot to relax and wait for the time to go by when you have to get on your airplane. We'll show you why. This is gonna be really exciting. As you can see, everyone's just waiting around. Just waiting and waiting. Are you excited? Are you excited?
I mean, I like the one coming this way. I think they're coming off that way. I don't know if it's like the times are different.
Look at it go! Wow.